Hello, today on our podcast, I was going to talk a little bit about whiplash and a couple herbs that in Chinese medicine can help not just whiplash, but all types of neck pain and even other types of body pain when used in combination and then combined with other herbs. So, whiplash, a lot of people have whiplash most commonly from a car accident where you have this rapid back and forth movement of your neck. And what happens is it can stretch and strain and cause a sprain among the muscles and some of the tendons in the neck, and also some of the bones and joints there. And so that quick stretching, rapid back and forth movement, it can happen in car accidents, but it can also happen in just other ways, either playing sports or um, any sort of strenuous activity or any sort of contact that can happen can cause a whiplash type of sensation. Most people who get whiplash, they get better on their own within a few weeks. You might just use over-the-counter medications to help. Some people, it can last a lot longer and it can cause pain that they don't ever get better from if left untreated. So if you're here and you're watching this, I'm assuming you probably have had something that's going on longer than you expected and are looking for additional things that might be able to help. And that's where Chinese medicine comes in. In Chinese medicine, there are treatments for sprains and neck injuries and whiplash, and it's not just trying to rest, but actually helping to improve blood supply, helping to nourish the muscles, helping to restore their normal function. The two herbs that I was going to talk about today is Du Huo and Qiang Huo. This herbal combination is especially to help get rid of what we call B or painful obstruction. There's a phrase in Chinese medicine, BIB, and it stands for just a painful obstruction. What it means is usually throughout the body, what helps our muscles and helps our tendons and all the musculoskeletal system to have good health and be pain-free and function normally is the proper flow of the qi and the blood throughout the body and throughout the musculoskeletal system. Now, that can get blocked for a number of different reasons. And it can get blocked because of wind, it can get blocked because of dampness, it can get blocked because of cold. And this is a herbal combination that can treat all three of those: wind, cold, and dampness. And in Chinese medicine, it's very useful to treat all kinds of painful scenarios caused by what we call B syndrome. And in Chinese medicine, um, depending on where in the body you are having pain, can determine which types of herbs you use. So, for example, Qiang Ho, which is one of the herbs I talked about, it's an herb that specifically goes along the urinary bladder channel. And in Chinese medicine, that's a channel that runs along your back, down the back of your legs, and up to the back of your neck. And so, if your pain is in those areas, such as in the neck, Qiang Ho is a good herb that can help to treat and alleviate that type of pain. And when it's combined with Du Huo, they actually both work synergistically and they can treat pain all over the body. And so it's a powerful combination to really help uh, painful obstruction in different musculoskeletal scenarios, and especially useful for whiplash. So if you are having whiplash, if you have neck pain, or maybe you're having neck pain from other musculoskeletal causes, this might still be a treatment option for you. Depending on your other comorbidities and what your other general health looks like, we might combine that with other herbs. We actually pretty much always will combine it with other herbs as well. So that's a little bit about whiplash, neck pain, B syndrome or BI. That's how you spell it, BI syndrome, and Du Huo and Qiang Ho. And we'll see you next time.